Here's how you can send your Gmail attachments to Notion by using make.com. Make.com is a website which will help you send your Gmail attachments to Notion. This is the way to do it. So let's do this. First of all, go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for make.com. You'll be redirected to the main website. You'll need to log in. Click on Get Started for free. You can sign in by giving your name, email, and a password, or just sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. Once you give all that information, make.com will ask you for some questions like how did you hear about Make, and then you'll be asked which of these apps are you planning to use. Check the Gmail and the Notion app and click on continue. Now you'll be directed to the main dashboard of make.com. Here you'll be able to connect your Gmail account with your Notion account. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see in the Explore tab where you can connect a couple of apps by selecting an app to trigger and selecting an app to action. In the first option, which would be for the trigger, select your Notion app, and on the second one, select the Gmail app. You'll see that you'll be redirected to this new page where you need to create the Start Guided Setup. This will help you connect your Notion account with your Gmail account. You'll be redirected to another page where you'll need to just click on Notion and then click on Create a Connection. It will ask you about your Notion account and it will connect it to make.com. You'll need to do the same thing with your Gmail account. Just click on Create a Connection and you'll be able to connect your Gmail account to make.com. Once both of your accounts are connected, you'll be able to easily send any attachments from Gmail to Notion. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe.